In this video, I'll be using Chocolatey to package and install Telegram. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video, and I will leave the URL in the description down below. And now I'll begin this video by downloading all the necessary files for my package, and I will start with the installation file. And for that, I will use the link that I have here that brings me to the Telegram download page. Here I will click on Get Telegram for Windows, and the download should start for me. Then I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this NuGet package called template. And I will be using it to create my Chocolatey package. So I will click on it, then I will click on the button right here to download the package, and then I will go to my downloads folder. And currently here I have my installation file and also the template NuGet package. I will open the NuGet package. It opens up with NuGet Package Explorer, and because I will be packaging the installation file inside of my Chocolatey package, I will right click on Tools, then I will click on Add Existing File, and I will select the installation file that I have in my Downloads folder. And as you can see, the installation file appeared here in the package. Then I will double click on Chocolatey install script and on this edit button. And once again, I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this PowerShell snippet that I will be using in my package. And this snippet will configure active setup to execute the installation during logon for each user on the computer. And I'm using this snippet because Telegram is a type of software that needs to be installed under the user account, and the installation needs to be executed by the user. And I will copy the snippet by clicking on the button right here. Then I will go back to my package and insert the snippet here. And for it to work, we need to provide our installation file name and also the silent switches. For the installation file name, I will go to my downloads folder, right click on the installation file, select rename, then I will select full name, right click again, and then I will select copy. I will go back to my package and insert this installation name here. Now I need silent switches, and for that, once again, I will go back to my GitHub page, and here I have the silent switches that I will be using. So I will click on the button right here to copy the values, go back to my package and insert the values here. And that's all that we need to do for this snippet. Now we can save it and let's go back to the package. And now I need to provide a few bits of information about the package here. So I will click on this edit button. For the package ID, I will enter Telegram. For the package version, I will enter 4.131. We can see the version number here on the installation file name. For the authors, I will leave it at Let's Do Automation, and for the package description, I will enter Telegram package. And that's all the mandatory fields that we need to fill. Now we can save the information by clicking on the Save button, and now we need to save the package itself. And for that, I will go to File, Save As, and I will save it in my Downloads folder. So let's click on Save, and then let's go to the Downloads folder. And now that I have my Chocolatey package right here, I will right click on it, select copy, and then I will go to VMware Workstation because I will be installing this package on this virtual machine. And I will be placing the package in the Downloads folder of this virtual machine. And now that we have the package here, we can try to install it. And for that, I will open my terminal application and I will run it as administrator because we need administrative privileges to set up active setup. And here I will enter Choco install. Then we need to provide the package ID that you can see here. So it's Telegram. And then because I'm using my downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository, I need to add -s and then provide my Chocolatey repository location. So it's my D drive and downloads folder. And also I will add -y and let's press enter and let's see what's going to happen. And the package is successfully installed, but to get the software itself, we need to trigger active setup. So for that, I will close all the windows that I have here. Then I will sign out from this user. And let's sign back in. And now we need to wait a bit. And the Telegram application shortcut appeared here. That means that the software installation was successful. If I double click on it, it opens up and seems to be working just fine. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.